Here's a practice to help you expand your direct experience of the higher self. Find a comfortable position where you won't be interrupted and relax. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine the number 3 in your mind's eye, or silently speak the number 3 to yourself 3 times. Take another deep, slow breath. Imagine or speak silently to yourself the number 2 3 times. Take another long, slow breath. Imagine or speak silently to yourself the number 1 3 times. We're going to do a countdown from 10 to 0 that will help you relax even more deeply. At any point in the exercise, you can open your eyes and function normally. You are in complete control. So for now, take another deep breath and relax even more deeply. 10. Feeling yourself going even more deeply into relaxation. 9. Relaxing even more into your body. 8. Melting and releasing all of your muscles, head to toe. 7. Softening your face, your hands, your pelvis, your feet. 6. Taking another deep, soothing, comforting breath. 5. Feel yourself going even more deeply into relaxation. 4. Relaxing even more. 3. Letting go completely. 2. Even more deeply now. 1. Fully relaxed. Envision in your mind's eye or sense on your skin a warm glow. Maybe you see, feel, or sense the warmth of sunlight. Maybe the light, warmth that you feel, sense, or see is golden, or white, or violet indigo. Notice the sensation of the warmth on your skin. Where do you feel the warmth most deeply? On your hand? On your face? Allow yourself to surrender completely into the melting, comforting warmth. Allow the light to penetrate, saturate, fill you with energizing, comforting, radiant glow. Breathe in the soothing, comforting radiance. On your next breath, drink in even more. Imagine, sense, or feel your body gently dissolving into the warmth, surrendering, melting into the sweet sensation of this comforting light. Feel, sense, and envision yourself one with the light. Notice as your felt sense expands, matching the all presence of this light. Feel the infinite expanse that you are. Notice the eternal silence here. Sense the tingling in all that you are. Notice the nourishing stillness. Melt, expand even further. Feel, sense, and envision eternal light that you are. On a count of 10, you'll come back into your body, completely refreshed, alert, and awake. 10. slowly bringing your focus back into your body. 9. Bringing with you the warmth, radiant, eternal light that you are. 8. Still feeling the sensation of that light, warm radiance. 7. Beginning to feel the boundaries of your physical form. 6. Bringing into your physical form this connection to the eternal self. 5. Beginning to sense your feet, your hands, your face filled with radiant light. 4. Beginning to move your toes and fingers. 3. Softly smiling to bring this light into your day. 2. Gently beginning to flutter open your eyes. 1. Awake, alert, completely present and ready for the next part of your day.